Welcome back. You're still watching Business Morning on Channels Television. And the midweek trading at the equities market have started. Let's bring in Rotimi, Fakayejo, trader and CEO Enterprise Capital, to tell us how the trading sessions are coming up. Good morning, Rotimi. Thank you very much for joining us.
Good morning, Chimeze.
We saw some profit taking yesterday. So what sentiment have you observed this morning as trading begins?
Well, it's not too different from what happened yesterday because yesterday at the end of closing, the market dropped by 0.15%. And presently this morning, the market is down by 0.07%. Though the major reason for the drop in price is actually Zenith Bank, which has lost about 24 kobo this morning. So aside from that, there is no other major loser. And at the same time, the only gainer for now is just NACO that has gained 1 kobo. So the market is still very much in the incubation stage.
And why do you think investors are showing that kind of sentiment towards Zenith Bank stock?
Well, I think Zenith Bank in recent time, in less than 2 weeks, has moved from about 23 naira to 25 naira. That is quite a huge leap, about 10% movement. And I believe that some people are comfortable with 10% movement, so they might want to at least take off part of what they already have. But at the same time, the demand for the stock is still very much high, and I believe that will continue until we see the third quarter results.
Well, it's already midweek. Are you expecting any earnings reports coming in today?
Well, I think we should be getting some, especially we have the likes of Fakayejo PLC, that is always the trailblazer. We are expecting the Fakayejo PLC to come quickly, as they usually do. And aside from that, I believe we may not really see much until next week.
Oh, all right. Well, some analysts believe that what we saw yesterday is just a temporary activity or outcome, and they expect to see a bullish trading at the end of today. Do you also expect to see bullish trading today? Well,
with what we saw on Monday with a gain of over 1% and yesterday just 0.15% down, I believe that, like they said, that yesterday was just a fluke. We may begin to see the real substance today if at the end of the trading we see much better transactions coming up. But I think if the likes of Nigerian breweries and the giants, especially in the industrial goods, don't really come down today, then we may still be able to see the market closing up, maybe by 0.5% or thereabouts.
Well, we can only be optimistic, Rotimi. I wish you a profitable trading day. Thank you for your time. And that's a wrap on today's edition of the program. Thank you very much for being part of it. I'm Chimeze Obi Iwago.